Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have been waiting months to open this. Number one, because I haven't had time. Number two, because I wanted to make sure it was in stock, at least when I unveiled it on my unboxing. So check this out. It is worth the wait. I'm super excited. So I'll see you on the flip side. Hey everyone, it is another unboxing time, and we're going to unbox Craftibly. Well, it's actually an untubing. I'm so excited. Craftibly has amazing, I almost called it storage, but shipping materials. And I purchased 2 items from them a couple months ago. I opened the first one on my channel, but I haven't opened this one yet. The reason why is we are waiting for inventory to get in, because how disappointing is it when you see a crafter open something, you want to race over and grab it, but it's sold out. So as of me recording this video and putting it up, there are options on the Craftibly site. Also, I wanted to do this because in the next week or two, so please be stalking their site. They are going to be putting up some amazing new artists, licensed, beautiful canvases. They have some hot ticket items, and you're also going to get to see some sneak peeks from us as creators. I want to take this video to let you know that I am an affiliate with Craftibly. I am an affiliate with 2 companies, and that's pretty much it. I want to stay loyal to them. I will explore other companies as well, but I want to disclose that. I do have a product or a coupon link down below. You're welcome to click on that if you find this canvas or other canvases in the future. It's going to give you a good percentage off to help you overcome your addiction and to sweet talk your significant other or family into the reason why you bought it. Okay, so Craftibly comes in a tube, which is great. It's hardcore tube, and this came perfectly sound for me. It also comes in a clear bag. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Craftibly. All right, so let's cut this baby open. It is a 50 by 50 centimeter, which translates into a 20 inch by 20 inch. I did purchase this in round. Many of Craftibly's items do let you pick round or square. If it says it's out of stock, still click on it, because it could be in stock in the other, square or round. All right, so let's see what we got here. Look, it's this beautiful rainbow tree. You know me and trees. Also, if you grab my book, it has a tree in there as well. Look at their packaging and these beautiful colors. It's round and it's already kitted up. If you like working out of baggies, you're welcome to use this already. It does have the DMC coating on it. I like that they have it stickered too, so if it does get separated, if you do have a stash like myself and you separate the canvas from the drills, you can easily match them up. I did hear rumors, which I hopefully will open something I've ordered in the next couple days, but I did hear rumors that the toolkit may be different in good ways, but they have an amazing toolkit to begin with. So I'm excited to show you guys their toolkit. I can get it out of this flat. My hands don't want to work today. So they have a white tray. Beautiful grooves in it, funnel. You get a single placer pen and a squishy to put on it if you would like to make sure, right now my hands aren't working, but if you want to make sure that you're not slipping. They also have the sharp tweezers with their toolkit. Make sure you try to cover them up. They do have branded wax caddy with wax. You will want to take off the clear coat in there. One time I didn't, and I'm like, why isn't this wax coming on? And then they have the thin 4-placer, and this is a 7 placer. If you see, the number is right there. So you know it's a 7 placer, and you know it's a 4 placer, which I'm so excited they have those in their toolkits, because I know I have fallen in love with the 4 placer. They also have directions in case you're a newbie, as well as their customer service. They do have great customer service. They're a family-run business. Michael is amazing. Now, this is actually a sticker. Use this sticker sheet to label bags of diamond drills, catalog your colors, or keep your record of completed work. So you can use this, and look how big this is so you can see it. You can also put it on your Harbor Freight, or you can put it on any storage that you use. It is a full sticker page, so you could cut out the image as well. It's absolutely amazing. I think they've also upgraded their sticker, so I can't wait to open that. Look at this beauty. I am so excited. This might be one of the ones I work on. They have the surged edges right here. Everything they do, they want to be licensed. Either it's a general license or it's direct with the artist. Now, what I mean by general is artists will submit their work to a licensing company, and then that licensing company makes that art available for a fee, and the company like Craftibly can pay a certain amount of money for a certain amount of images. Then the artist gets the kickback as well, and it's all legit and it's licensed. So some of theirs are general licensed that way. Now I don't know the exact terminology, I just call it general. And then some of them are directly licensed through the artist. And I'm very excited to say they have some amazing new artists that are, oh my gosh, you're gonna want to pay attention this week, okay? I'm just saying, pay attention. You're gonna want to have that link I have below, that coupon code on speed dial. And you're going to want to put a little bit aside from this weekend's payday. I'm just saying. Okay, so it is poured glue. The canvas is nice. It's going to lay flat on its own. As you can see here, I have it upside down, but there's a key in the upper right corner and a key in the bottom, the bottom right corner, and a key in the upper left corner. They also have the photo image and the schematic, which is a 50 by 50. Let's look at the drill field. Look how clear that is. Now what I love here is you can see with the ones and the B's, there's not an actual circle around it. We call them a dummy circle or training circle, but they've lightened the color where the symbol is so that you have a little bit of a guide. And then when you place it, you still have some color around it. It's not a black circle or a white circle. So when you're completely done, the image is just stunning. You don't have to worry about that black or white background. Oh my gosh. I might kit this up right now. I'm not kidding, guys. It's the DP-a-thon this weekend, and I may just sit here and do it. This is absolutely breathtaking. I'm so excited. Last but not least, I'm going to measure just to make sure it's legitimately 50 by 50. And we've got 49.5, no, almost 50, like 49.9 centimeters that way, and 50.1 centimeters the other way. So great job, Craftibly. Love what you are doing over there. So excited. I'm going to actually kit this up right now, and you're going to see it in, I might see it in tomorrow's live. So take care, everybody. Please go check out Craftibly. They have a couple things right now available, including this tree. You're going to want it. You're going to want it. It's absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. It is worth the investment for you guys, and please use the code down below because you're going to want a percentage off, right? Who doesn't want to save money? So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.